It's always bugged me. You're watching your favorite YouTube chef make something interesting with expensive ingredients you'd never buy, and more often than not, you never see those ingredients again. Where did they go? Did they eat 40 banh mi sandwiches that week? In Leftovers, I'll show you some of my favorite ways to repurpose the food from my longer videos, starting this week with my favorite vehicle for delivering reheated meats, the taco. The recipe is simple and deeply interchangeable. This time around, I chose to dice my leftover meat, mince some garlic, and thinly slice some baby bella mushrooms, because it's what I happen to have in my fridge. I had some leftover green onion and avocado sitting around as well, so why not? I've had tacos about every conceivable way, and for my money, nothing beats a double stack of corn tortillas. I like to prep these by throwing whatever cheese I have on hand, that with some leftover sharp cheddar, and setting them aside until whatever I'm cooking is nearly done. While I'm sautéing my well-seasoned ingredients, I'll get my broiler going on high and just carefully slide my cheese-topped tortillas in, right on the rack. You could use a sheet pan, but won't crisp up as nicely. Now, if you've timed it right, you'll have some beautiful tortillas, crunchy on top, soft and warm on the bottom, with a bit of browning on the cheese. If you've timed it poorly, you've way overcooked the tortillas and spilled half your ingredients from the pan in a panic. Allegedly. All that's left at this point is assembly. Hot ingredients from the pan and chunky items first, then into the taco stand. Okay, I know this is a bit extra, but these were super cheap, they make my tacos look great, and it's easier to eat from. Link in the description for these metal ones. I really love a little acidity and heat on my taco, so I finished these off with a pickled radish and red cabbage slaw I'd made for a different meal, and some homemade fermented hot sauce, something I'll be showing you all how to make in an upcoming video, so keep an eye out. And that's it. Short, simple, and delicious. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It's deeply appreciated. Otherwise, take care everyone, and happy cooking.